Hello and welcome TechGlob YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to configure deploy folder redirection GPO in Windows Server 2022. We can go to the Windows Server and Start menu, go to the Server Manager and go to Tools and go to the Active Directory Users and Computers. And when you come to the Active Directory Users and Computers, this is the local domain techglob.local. Here, right click. I'm going to create a new organizational unit. And here, you can type any name. HR Manager. And click OK. And when you come to the built-in, right click and create a group and go to the new and create a group. Here I'm going to type group name is root. This is international security group and click OK. When you come down, HR Manager organizational unit, right click and go to new and create a user. Here you can type accounts. Type acc@techglob.local. Go next and type password. Go next, finish it. Go to the tools, group policy management, expand the domains and techglob.local expand. Come to the group policy object, right click, click new, and here you can type folder redirection underscore GPO, whatever name you can assign. Click OK and go to the My Computer. I'm going to create a new share folder. Right click, create new folder. My folder name is folder redirection. Okay. Right click, properties. Here go into the share option and share. And right click again, go to properties, go to advanced sharing. This is the path you have to copy and go to the advanced sharing, go to permission, add, advanced, find. Here I'm going to select root group, click OK and give full control, apply, OK. OK, go to the security group and advanced and enable inheritance change and saves and find advanced, go to the ACC and go to the accounts and click OK. And go to add, select principal and find, come down root group which we created before and click OK. And here give a full control, remove administrator, remove and replace the owner on sub container and objects and apply and OK. Now go to the group policy object, and here there are HR manager, and right click and link it with the folder redirection GPO, and right click, go to the under the user configuration policies and click Windows settings, go to the folder redirection, expand that, and here right click and properties, select settings, go to the basic, redirect everyone's folder to the same location, and here you have to copy the path. Go to the run command and /master. Okay, this is the folder. I'm going to copy the path, paste it and apply. Okay, the same folder picture, go to the properties and basic option, paste it, come to the music folder and properties, same basic, and click OK. Same way you have to paste it, what all the folders you want to assign the folder redirection. Okay, now go to the run command and type CMD, enter the command gp update /force. After updating the group policy command, go to the Windows 10. I'm going to log in other user, and here I'm going to enter acc@techglobe.local. Enter the password. Password you must change. And hit enter. Now the password is set. Wait for a few minutes. Now the Windows is configuring some basic information. After the log on the screen, Windows 10, right click and go to the personalize and go to the themes, desktop icon settings, and here you can choose what all the folders you need in the desktop. Click OK. Now in the desktop you can see the folder. There are desktop music and pictures, and in the folder I'm going to create a test folder, test folder, and go back to the download or music, right click and create any files, text file, and after you go back to the Windows Server machine, go to the folder redirection folder on the C drive, and here you can check the ACC folder. There are desktop and downloads, music, pictures. Okay, when you open the folder, you cannot open the folder because you don't have any permission to access this folder. While creating, we have removed your permission. Okay, now I'm going to take back the permission. Click OK and go to the security tab and click advanced. Go to the change and type here administrator and check names. Click OK. OK, and replace the owner on sub container and objects. Apply and yes. Click OK. Now go to the desktop icon again. Now here you can see the folder which we create inside the Microsoft 10 PC. Okay, and go back to the music and continue, security tab, and go to the advanced option and continue, change administrator and check names. Hit OK, OK button, and replace owner on sub containers and objects. Click OK. Now here you can see the text file which we create inside the Windows 10. So these are the options we have to apply Windows Server 2022. Thank you for watching this video. These are the way how to create a folder redirection GPO, and comments below. Please like and share, subscribe.